While today's numbers are higher than normal, the OHA says there are some positive signs too. It says weekly cases are starting to level out. Fox 12's Brenna Kelly joins us live after listening into today's Oregon Health Authority briefing, joined by Governor Kate Brown. Brenna?
Well, Nora, both the governor and health officials feel the latest data is a sign of progress in the state. However, in order for students to go back to school and Oregon to continue down a path of reopening, the governor says people must not let their guard down.
The actions that all Oregonians are taking are flattening the curve again.
In a teleconference with the Oregon Health Authority, State Health Officer and epidemiologist Dr. Dean Seidlinger said the predicted resurgence in cases following Oregon's reopening has stabilized, meaning transmission of the virus has slowed.
The measures that I have put in place are starting to show progress, and that our guidelines have been, frankly, in this state, substantially stricter than many states across the country. And we continue to have a lower infection rate than the rest of the country.
Right now, Seidlinger describes it as an uneasy balance, saying current modeling estimates each case of COVID-19 leads to an additional one person becoming infected. In other words, he says the state is treading water.
Rather than just a plateau, we'd like to see our curve and our cases start to drop.
Though Oregon is heading in the right direction, Seidlinger warned there are signs showing cases could spike again. They are still seeing community spread, and the virus remains a risk to everyone. But Seidlinger says it is within reach to decrease transmission. The governor says her strategies will only continue to work if people keep using them.
We are truly in this for the long haul. I want as many schools as possible to be able to open for in-person education, at the very least for the younger grades, but we will only be able to do so when it is safe for students and for staff.
And when asked if the governor wished she had implemented mask orders much earlier in the reopening process, she said yes. And she also announced new face covering guidelines coming in the next week or so for indoor office settings. Reporting live in Portland, Brenna Kelly, Fox 12 Oregon.